Big Cappuccino here. This is odds and ends number 18. Uh, I think I could have did this yesterday, but I decided to wait a little while because I just posted show and tell number 92. But I think it'll be a good time to do odds and ends, and plus, I got some things to do Monday, and I don't know if I'll be peg hunting. I'll probably find some time to go peg hunting, so probably push this content out. And I'm planning on doing some other content this week. So let's get into it. Basically, looking at the cars and show and tell 92. Well, the premium ones. Only had two main lines for the last video. So let's get into it. I think I'm going to start with the car carrier. I didn't even want to do that, but I'm thinking I am. This is the Hot Wheels Premium Teen Transport Hot Wheels car culture. It's so many. I don't know. I don't know if it's the quarantine or what, but it seemed like it's just so many sets out there at the same time. And I've seen it's Dodge Dart that I want to get, which I like that casting. I think it's a 68 Dodge Dart. I like to get that casting. The rest of them I really don't too much care about. I just got this one lazy because it was here. I don't know if I'll be able to find that Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. Usually tomorrow, Mondays, is like the restocking days for my Target. But sometimes it gets irregular. Sometimes they wait 2 weeks to restock, depending on what they have on the pegs. And I'll have some time this week probably to go to Walmart or Hobby Lobby, so we'll see. Plus, I have another spot, a couple of other spots I could go. Well, let's look at this Ford GT, which I could have pulled. I don't think I have anything here with that casting. Yes, I do. I think I have a main line. Little contrast, a main line Ford GT. This is a regular one. This is not the race one. It's about the same car though. Some differences, but oh well. Yeah. Some differences with the race version. And I do have race versions, so it's just basically that's the regular version, it's the race version. That's basically all I'm gonna say about that, because they're basically different castings, but it's just about the same car. I don't see anything else I can compare it with. Oh, it's a cool. Realistic race deco. It's just wheels, plain Jane. I wonder proportions, because I think Greenlight does this, and Mini GT probably got the scale down pat. It's the car carrier, which they have done this car carrier before. I have it put up, and it has the Castrol Echo Boost. Castrol is the main, I think the main sponsor. That's their colorway for Castrol. Or this is an oil company. It's pretty cool for what it's worth. Cool thing I like about this carrier, you can put another car right there. So wanted to put it, well, it had to be a Ford. Found another Ford to put in there. We have one. It doesn't matter, but y'all get what I'm saying. I'm not gonna waste too much time on that. It's a good addition to the collection. You know, I still think the scale is goofy. That's just Hot Wheels. Their scale is goofy for a lot of stuff. Let's do the taxi. Greenlight Hollywood. This is from the TV show Taxi. That's 1974 Checker Taxi Cab. 2020 Greenlight. Yeah. Pretty cool. And the hood opens, but it has a tendency not to stay. It'll stay this time. You got some detail. Nice grill, nice detail. As you can see, I had another yellow cab from 2019, which almost look exactly identical. But this one is a 1981, I think. And this is from the New York Taxi series for Greenlight, which they did a whole bunch of taxis. Ford Crown Victoria. I think they did a Caprice. I think they did several older ones. Model cars too. Probably some Fords or Dodges or something. And this one is supposed to be a 1981. But, you know, this body style, it really didn't change. And there's subtle differences. The grill, the hood opens, but engine is not as detailed as that one is. Grills are similar. That one doesn't have a license plate. And since they both are supposed to be based, I think Taxi was supposed to be based in New York, if I'm correct. Taxi, the TV show. Most people are like, you don't remember that, that's ahead of your time. Some of y'all probably have heard of it, though. So they're pretty much similar. Just small differences. Like this one has that a little black thing on the quarter panel. This one is fully all around. Well, it has the same thing. I think this one's bigger. That little black part right there. It's a similar design. They're supposed to be both New York Taxi, so yeah. Great addition to the collection, man. The thing about Greenlight, they execute that well. Service vehicles. The next, we're going to do the Greenlight Hollywood from Terminator 2 Judgment Day, the 1987 Chevrolet Caprice, which is also 2020. Yeah, both of these cars that I've shown, well, everything I've shown so far, I got from Target. So, I don't know if your Target is carrying these particular models, but my area is usually behind, so some areas they even carry not probably not in Target, but possibly in Walmart. They carry Tomica and stuff. So, and this is basically, I think the black and white one is supposed to be well, it says it's a 1987 Chevrolet Caprice, and this is California Highway Patrol. I think, I'm sure. I don't think it's LAPD. It might be. I don't think so. I know it's definitely California. I don't think it's LAPD. Because it would have said Los Angeles up there. So I'm thinking it's California State Police, or I guess they call them Highway Patrol chips. And the blue one is Wisconsin State Police. That's from the Hot Pursuit series 2019. And it's supposed to be a 1989 model Caprice, but it's not really too much difference. I don't think it's the wheels. They're rocking the same wheel. Somewhat. And this just shows you it's just basically a fleet vehicle. Caprices they would use as taxis, as police cars, and they use, I guess, by for a fire department. I guess so too, as a fire marshal's car or something. The feds might have used them too. I like the light bar in this one. It's cool. This one's okay. Yeah. That black and white, it just looks official. That looks like a police car. When you think police car, this is what you think of: black and white with red. Well, I don't think that's white. I think that's just the chrome piece in the middle with the red and blue light on top. They even got protect and serve up there. I don't know why it's not focusing that well. There it is. That's pretty cool. That's pretty much what you want right there. That's a good addition to the collection. Last but not least, got this vintage Johnny Lightning Speed Racer Mark V. I put the saw blades that came with it up here. See, it's cutting a tree, I guess. And this is from 1997. Which I was looking for this. Finally got it at a reasonable price. Aside from the blades being all red, which is kind of whack. They could have made them silver right here. Look at all the detail. I don't know if I can get close up on the instrumental panel. But the fact that they did attempt to do the gauges is cool. I don't know if Speed Racer had lights back there. You think be tail lights right here, but I don't think so. One thing is missing. I see it's supposed to be lights under here. There's no lights. Which I can compare to this bigger, ugly one, which is all plastic. And they didn't even do the right lights right. They put silver under there. This bad boy's yellowing. So it's supposed to be lights right here. And apparently it is supposed to be tail lights because they're right there. So, but you can't get everything, you know. You can't get everything. At least they did the wheels cool. Silver. They could have just did a matte white or something. It look like the base is die-cast. It's pretty heavy. And the way that the saw blades fit is cool. I seen something in the thing though. I was watching some footage and I don't know if it showed it right here. The interior is supposed to be red like this. So that's another thing, inconsistency. Instead of black, interior should be red, but oh well. I got my Mark V, so it'd be cool if but that's asking too much because it's so long if the trunk open. I'm satisfied with it, shoot. And then the little sail they had in it, which is a cool keepsake. Some people would have kept it in the packaging, but I'm not a packaged collector. I like to have my stuff out. Usually, I think some stuff I have kept a couple cards in a package, but it's hard to keep them straight on stuff. I probably need to get some blister pack protectors or whatever. But you know, that's pretty much it, man. That's odds and ends number 18, man. It's not much, man. Just, you know, companion piece basically to show and tell number 92. I want to thank the subscribers for your support. As far as random viewers, this is your first time viewing this channel, like I always say, not the best Diecast channel, but not the worst either. I encourage you to subscribe so you'll have access to all the content. Sometimes I do like maybe 2 or 3 pieces as far as diecast. Sometimes I have 30. It depends on how way things go. Until next time, this is Big Dappuccino signing off. This is Odds and Ends number 18. Peace and blessings.